Water. It covers 71% of our planet's surface. It flows in rivers and fills clouds. It is the basis of life. Now imagine all of it. Every ocean, every lake, every drop in the atmosphere, vanishing instantly in a single silent moment. The first thing we would notice is silence. The roar of the ocean waves, which was the backdrop to life on the planet, would be silenced forever. Coastlines would turn into gigantic cliffs, leading to new, unexplored continents on the ocean floor. All marine life would fight itself in a completely alien environment. And on land, all living things, from plants to animals, would face a grave challenge, as the foundation of their biology had just disappeared. The atmosphere will react immediately. Without water vapor, an important greenhouse gas, the atmosphere's ability to retain heat will be sharply reduced. Extreme temperature swings will occur. During the day, the surface will be intensely heated by direct sunlight, while at night, heat will escape unimpeded into space, causing severe frost. Pressure will drop, and the absence of clouds will forever change the appearance of our skies. Now about weight. The weight of all the oceans is enormous. It presses on the tectonic plates, keeping them in relative equilibrium. When this weight is suddenly removed, the Earth's crust begins to straighten out. This process, called isostatic rebound, will cause earthquakes of incredible strength. Volcanoes across the planet will erupt, spewing billions of tons of ash into the dry atmosphere. All vegetation will disappear. Without roots to hold the soil in place, and without rain to settle the dust, the planet will become a world of winds. Giant dust storms, originating on the dried-up ocean plains, will envelop the planet. Earth will become like Mars, but much more geologically active and dynamic. After geological time, the Earth will calm down. Volcanic activity will create a new atmosphere, but without water, it will be unlike our own. The landscape will become unrecognizable. The Mariana Trench will become the deepest canyon in the solar system, nearly 11 kilometers deep. Our cities, buried under kilometers of dust, will become part of the planet's geological record. The disappearance of water won't just change life. It will reshape the planet itself, turning it into its own geological monument. It's a reminder that our world isn't just a rock hurtling through space. It's a complex, fragile system, and its lifeblood is water. Without it, we're just a part of geology.